Hello everyone, hope you are having a great day. Today let's talk about some super helpful intern interview tips. But first, hit that subscribe button and join our community. So let's start. There are three phases in the interview process: HR round, technical round, and coding. Let's begin talking about the HR round. Different companies may have different question style, but I will share some common tips to help you. To start conversation with, tell me about yourself. Why are you interested in this internship? What are your strengths and weakness? Why should we choose you for this internship? Next, what are your career goals? Tell me about a time you faced a challenge and how you overcome it. Tell me about a time you worked in a team. What are your salary expectations? Do you have any question for me? Remember that the HR round is your chance to show the interviewer that you are not just a good programmer but also a well rounded individual who could be a valuable asset to their team. We'll share some tips, research the company, practice common HR question experience, be confident and positive, ask questions, dress professionally, and be a good listener. Next is technical round. Technical interviews depend on specific role and company. Here are some common technical interview questions that you might encounter. So let's start. First is data structure and algorithms. Implement the binary search algorithms. Explain the difference between a stack and a queue. How would you implement a linked list? Solve the whiz first problem. Describe the time and space complexity of an algorithm. Explain how hash table works. Next, programming languages. What is the difference between Java and Python? When would you use one over the others? Explain the concept of object-oriented programming. How does garbage collection work in programming language like Java and C? Discuss the difference between pass by value and pass by reference. Next is system design. Be able to design a simple system considering scalability, efficiency, and trade offs. Understand distributed system basics. How does lead balancing work and why it is important. Discuss a difference between SQL and NoSQL database. Explain the use of caching in the web application. Discuss a challenge of building real-time system and how to address them. Operating system. Explain the difference between process and threads. What is a virtual memory? Discuss the purpose of operating system file system. How does context switching work on the operating system? Behavioral questions. Describe the challenge problem you faced and how to solve it. Discuss a situation where you had to work in a team to achieve the common goal. How do you handle tight deadline and high pressure situations? Describe a project you are particularly proud of and explain. Remember that technical interviews are not just about finding the correct solution, but also about demonstrating your problem solving approach, communications skills, and ability to adopt. Next is coding round. Practicing coding skills is crucial for success in technical interviews, and the range of topics covered can vary based on the specific role and company. You can practice coding from online coding platforms. Use platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeSignal to practice coding platforms. Focus on both easy and medium difficulty problem initially. You can prepare mock interviews, practice with friends, or use platform offering mock interviews. Get used to exploring your thought process clearly. Remember that consistency is the key when it comes to coding practice. Focus on understanding the underlying concept and try to solve problems regularly to improve your skills. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video and don't forget like, share, subscribe.